Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Esra. Today I will be sharing Tuesday morning store haul with you. It was my first time that I went to this store last week and they were having amazing deals. So everything that I'm going to share in this video is 90% off. Since it was my first time, I didn't know what do they sell exactly. It was just next to my Dollar Tree. I just entered to the store and they sell furniture, kitchenware, stationery, crafting, home decor, little bit from everything. And while I was just walking in the store, I was amazed by the prices and I saw 90% off. I was like, oh my god, because they were having a bunch of stuff. So I bought some things that I wanted to share. I'm so excited. This video probably will be cheaper than thrifting hauls. Be aware of that. Let's get into the exciting part. I want to share the first item is this glassware vase, the pink, and isn't that gorgeous? And there's a raffia at the top. It has a really different texture going on. It's not straight. Their tickets are actually pretty similar to Marshall and Home Goods. You know what I'm talking about? I want to share it actually. This yellow tag means 90% off in Tuesday morning. So this is the tag that I'm mentioning over here. The compare at price is $30. So that means somewhere else it was retailed as $30, but in this store it was $14.99. And guess how much I paid for this? I paid $1.50 for this gorgeous vase. I'm really surprised. It's really artistic looking. It's made in Spain. It's really heavy, by the way. The next item that I want to share is this gorgeous reed hanger. It's really heavy. It's metal or iron or whatever. It's heavy. And there's a part over here that you can set how high you want to use this. So let me show you the tag over here. Do you see? And it was sold as $12.99 before, but with this yellow tag it made it 90% off. So I paid $1.30 for this thing, $1.30. So, and I also found this gorgeous candle holder. Look at it, how big it is. And let me tell you the price. This one was sold as $19.99. Let me show you the tag. I hope you can read $19.99 here, but this means 90% off Tuesday morning. So I paid $2 for this. Yes, only $2. It's something heavy, not as heavy as my reed hanger, but look at it. It's very detailed work. And I also found this gorgeous china. Do you see? Look at the details over here. It's blue. This china is made in Tunisia, it says, and their price was $9.99. Do you see that? $9.99. With the 90% off, I paid $1 for this. Isn't that amazing? I feel like I went to garage sale or something because the prices are good. I found another candle holder, which is this one, white and gold theme going on. Original price was $7.99 in the store, and I paid only 80 cents to this. Look at it. Isn't that gorgeous too? Less than $1. And I also found this vase over here, the ceramic one. And they have some details like around here, just like a fishnet. It's not small, you know, you can compare it to my head. And this one was $9.99. And I purchased this $1. This is $1. Yes, you cannot find these prices in Goodwill. Not every time at least. And I also found these gorgeous gold made in India tumblers. It's metal, and in some point they were each sold as $24.99. Can you believe? But Tuesday morning sold them as $9.99, and with the 90% off I paid $1 for each of them. This is the detail on them. That's the inside. Yeah, and they had more, but I only picked up 2 of them. I was fine with that. Someone else can buy it. Now I'm going to show the crafting items that I found in Tuesday morning, which is also 90% off. Let's start with the stencil. I had to get this stencil because there's the city that I was born. I was born in Istanbul and I have lived there for 27 years. That's the reason why I got the stencil. There are other cities like London, Hong Kong, Berlin, and New York, and that's the stencil that you're going to see, the city names, and that's the price over here. It was sold as $2.99 in Tuesday morning, but I purchased this as 30 cents. Yes, stencils are expensive in other stores, so I had to grab a few. This is the other stencil that I found in Tuesday morning, and it says gratitude is the memory of the heart. That's the saying on it, and it was sold as $1.49 before, and I paid 15 cents for this stencil. 15 cents, yes. The other stencil that I found is this lettering stencil. I saw these in Joann, and they're selling $6 or $7, I believe, and Tuesday morning sold this at $1.99, and I purchased this as 20 cents, and these are the letterings. Yes, that's the other stencil I found. It says on the image over here, it says Subway. Yeah, there are just two signs over here, and this stencil was $1.49 before, and I paid 15 cents for this stencil. And I found another stencil, which is this one. Do you see the shapes over here? And here you can create this with this stencil. The brand is called Americana, I believe. This is stick-on stencil. It was $2.99 before. I paid only 30 cents for this stencil too. I found also iron-on fabric. This one, and that's the brand. These are the fabric inside it. The shapes. Their price was $3.99 before, and I purchased this as a 40 cents. This, you know, the crafting can be a little bit expensive. I also found some crafting papers. This is the front page of the paper and the back page of the paper, and each of them are like that inside. Actually, it is 12 by 12. Their price was $3.99 before, and I paid 40 cents for this 12 count 7 Gypsy brand papers. I also found this craft and gold paper roll. It was sold as $4.99, but I purchased 50 cents. Look at the details on it. It's gold. There are some gold details on it. It is 14 inch by 8 feet. And I also got flat cover buttons. Let me show you closer. And their retail price was a 49 cents, but I purchased them as 5 cents each. So 5 makes 15 cents for 3 package. And the other item that I found is this lock over here. That's the brand of the lock. I don't know if you ever heard this brand. This is the lock and the key over here, and this one was 99 cents, so I paid 10 cents for this. Yes, only 10 cents. And the other thing that I found is this tape. It's Halloween related item. It's the witch belt. Yeah, this is the brand Little B. It has this metal part so you can cut your tape, which is a good idea. This one's retailed as a 99 cents, but I paid 10 cents for this. That's it for my haul today, so thanks for stopping by, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give thumbs up. If you like shopping hauls and DIYs, that's what I do in this channel, and I would like to have you as a subscriber. So see you next time.